Did you come across this type of problem while working with Next.js application? So let's look at how we can fix this. So right now I have a div. Within this div I have a p tag where we can input some text, but this p tag has a div within it. So this is not the right way, because p tag is just for plain text to print or to display. If you check the error, what it is saying, component stack, there is a div tag, within this there is a p tag, and within this there is a div tag. So this is not allowed. Okay, this p tag should be at the bottom. We cannot keep a div tag within the p tag. Okay, so let's just fix it. Let me just delete this div. It should resolve the problem. Let's check. Now I refresh the page. Okay, there is one more issue. Now if you notice, there is one more problem. It is saying you cannot have h1 within the p tag. Okay, let's just get this h1 out of p. Let's check. Okay, now I refresh the page and there are no issues. Okay, so now you should understand that there is a specific structure for HTML to follow. So you can never keep a div or h1 within the p tag. So for that reason it was throwing the error. So while writing the Next.js application, be careful about this structure of the HTML and the tags that you are using.